not gonna eat.
Ain't working.
Huh? What is it, Chloe? What is it?
I'm drinking my champagne out of
Alright,
this.
sorry. I don't normally do this, but...
The Peter meter? Is that what this?
Bailey, what is it?
Jesus.
There you go, Clover. You can have it. Oh, Clover.
Who cares about the dog? Just don't hurt yourself with that thing. I need to sharpen that.
Yeah, when you have to saw at packing tape. Oh, Christ.
It's just the tip. The tip is really.
Yeah,
on,
just
bro.
rip it open.
Shut up. Oh my god. Frickin'.
Try it on. See if it fits.
Jesus Christ, are you serious?
Yes, we need to see if it fits.
Oh.
Otherwise, we have to return it.
That
So
was a lot.
big.
Looks great. There is more.
Oh, there's more. Yeah.
Hi, Clover. Clover. Hi.
No, she's not.
Ooh, she's not afraid of it. Here, let's see.
Yeah, a shoulder strap of yours or whatever the hell that thing is. Ah, filters. All right. Gaskets. Nice.
I can't really see very well.
Oh, your hair's covering
Like
one.
sideways. There's a big like blank spot right here.
Those are. I don't even.
They're
know
for the
what
filters.
Oh,
Oh, there's something else in here. Let's see what this is. It better not be Avatar.
Could you imagine?
Light of the day.
Yay! I'm so excited. We have to play this. I've been wanting this for a really long time. Oh my god, the thing is so hot.
Yeah, oh Jesus, you sweat fucking bullets in those things, man.
Oh my
They're the
god,
worst.
you got me a cat.
You got your real gift too.
That's a real gift. That's a really good gift.
It's very useful.